The new shape of protection is here, introducing RAGAR Foam. Engineered to provide ultimate protection and unmatched flexibility, this reconfigurable and reusable foam system is perfect for safeguarding firearms and related accessories. RAGAR Foam changes the game. Its modular interlocking pieces allow you to customize your storage layout as often as you need. No tearing, no waste, just easy reconfiguration whenever your gear needs change. Using RAGAR Foam is simple. Need to modify your layout? Just remove the foam pieces, rearrange them, and fit them to your new gear. No need to start over or waste foam. RAGAR Foam is built for the long haul, protecting your gear whether you're changing optics, adding new fixtures, or reorganizing your accessories. From small pieces of gear to larger rifle setups, the RAGAR Foam can be reconfigured to meet any challenge. Each piece stays locked into place, giving you the confidence that your gear is fully protected. Unlike traditional pull-and-pluck foam, RAGAR is designed for repeated use. It doesn't degrade or wear down after a few reconfigurations. Whether you're on the move or need to store your equipment long-term, RAGAR Foam keeps your gear safe without compromising its durability. RAGAR Foam is available in multiple Eylar rifle cases or as individual foam sets, giving you the flexibility to protect whatever gear you need. Upgrade your protection with RAGAR Foam System, reconfigurable, reusable, and built for the gear that matters most to you.